every business. There are moments that define everything, often hidden, often overlooked. These are the points that can unlock growth. That's why we created Intelligent Business Point, a methodology to help you discover what truly matters. Whether it's a touch point with your customer, a process that needs simplifying, or a decision waiting to be made. Point by point, we identify, improve, and intelligently support them. People, technology, strategic thinking, working together. In harmony, we don't just build solutions for businesses. We build them with people, for their goals, their pace, their meaning. Intelligent Business Point. Let's find your smartest points for growth.